All right. So, geometry folk. We're going to be talking about proving the Pythagorean theorem today, and we're going to be playing a game to practice this. So first I want to go off explaining how we go about solving this proof. How we got this equation, as you can see over here, with all this confusing math, they found out that if you took four triangles, that if you took the area of them, you would actually get the area of a square back. And because we know an area of a square is the sides squared, that's where we get each of those terms being the a squared plus b squared equals c squared, because they will always form a box in the middle. To prove that, I have these four triangles. So I'm going to take this first one, we're going to move right down, take our second triangle, we're going to take it, we're going to put it here, and we're going to rotate it to the right 90 degrees. Oop, let me readjust that. Our next triangle, we're going to take and do the same exact thing. We're going to take this, put it right here, rotate it twice. Boom. And the last one, oops, we take and we move, and our four triangles rotate left 90, make a big box and a small box in the center. So this is where we get the a squared plus b squared equals c squared, because we can form these boxes. Now we could use a game to represent this and to use it to really figure out how this is working. So I have listed for you guys a game on the Pythagorean theorem. So what we have to do here is you're going to do the same exact thing of having to rotate and move around pieces. So like for this first example, you're given these two boxes. These two boxes have to add up to equal the larger side. So what you're going to do is by taking these pieces, you're going to be moving around and figuring out where they have to go. You can take them, you can rotate them around, fit them into spots. This might take you a little bit of time to figure out some of them. You might have to go back and redo some, and that's perfectly fine. So you just have to go around and move these blocks around to prove Pythagorean's theorem that each side will form a box. And when you know you're done, that'll give you the nice check mark, because we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now if you want to choose a different pattern, you can always choose a pattern here. So if you want to go from this way, you can. If you want to go from this way working back, you sure can. If you want to change the pattern, it's just this box up here. So if you want to practice going other ways, you can. Okay? So that's what you guys first supposed to do today, just practicing the Pythagorean theorem and proving it. This game should help you think about how they're both adding up to equal the same one, and you're going to be proving that we've made from triangles, we can make boxes, and where we get this equation from. So hopefully this helps you guys. If this practice a little bit, I will have the Google Hangout at 1 o'clock like I normally do. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.